Michelle here with Pink and Maine, and today we're doing an unboxing of our February 2021 Crafty Courtyard kit. This kit is themed Happy Mail, and here's our postcard. It gives you a little hint of what you're going to see inside. Of course, the postcard tells you what's included in the kit. It shows you what the color palette is going to be, and where you can join our Crafty Courtyard Facebook group to see lots of inspiration by other Crafty Courtyard subscribers, as well as us. We have lots of fun over there. I'm gonna start with the cardstock. You're going to get 6 colors of cardstock and 2 of our 110-pound white ice rink cardstock. These colors are gorgeous. It's a very different color palette for us. Try to use different color palettes so that we get a mix of lots of different colors. You're gonna get the handy dandy 8.5 by 11 zippered mesh project bag. Great for keeping all your items together, handy and organized. You're gonna get 4 white envelopes, A2 size. You're gonna get the 1-inch flare button. It has a cute little like floral postage stamp on it. We've got an exclusive sequin mix that's got the same colors that are in the kit. Really pretty and sparkly. You're gonna get some glitter enamel dots. And again, all the colors coordinate perfectly with the kit. Everything matches. It's very easy to pull the kit out and create without having to think about what might match or go with it. You get a full 6x6 paper pad. So let's go through the patterns in the paper pad. We have a really pretty plaid. Ooh, like a wine-colored polka dot. Some little hearts. And these are double-sided, so you get 24 different patterns. 2 of each, they're double-sided. This is real pretty. It almost looks like a denim. I like a texture to it, but it's flat. Got a really pretty plaid. There's a pink polka dot. It's a really pretty floral. And we've got like a chevron pattern. Some funky stripes with scallops. Got a really pretty golden yellow polka dot. Colorful stripe. Here's that chevron pattern in pink. We've got some fun triangles. A lime green polka dot. A little fun pattern here. Ooh, look at this one. It looks like watercolor. Don't even have to pull the watercolors out. You can just use the paper. That's nice. Oh, I love this one. The bold stripe with those white, just white outlined flower patterns. It's so pretty. Just cut that out and put it on a card, add a sentiment, and you're done. Easy. Here's some teal polka dots. Some small flowers. Here's another watercolor looking page in that green. So pretty. It's another fun plaid. Love my plaids. I love polka dots too. Got some big gray polka dots. Here's a little grid pattern. And here's that kind of denim looking texture in that pretty wine color. I filmed these videos a little bit in advance, so I don't have the embossing folder, but you are getting a 6x6 embossing folder. And how stinking cute is that? It's little envelopes with hearts, and then you've got the little hearts thrown in there as well. Really cute. I can't wait to create with that. You're getting a 6x6 stencil. And if you can't see, I know there's a glare with the packaging, so I've printed it out. You can see it's just got some fun little arrow patterns. There's the exclusive stamp set that comes in the kit. And I've printed it out again because of the glare. So we've got this really pretty envelope with the flowers with the notes sticking out, and the sentiments will fit right here on this paper. So that's really fun. We've got a small floral here, a heart, a little postage stamp with a floral. We have another envelope with a smile that's a little bit smaller, and the sentiments will fit on there as well. And you've got this adorable little snail, and he's carrying an envelope with a heart, and it says, "Long live snail mail." I hope this finds you smiling. You've got mail, better than an email. Hugs enclosed, sending love, happy mail, dearest friend, and special delivery. So you can really use this for just about anything. Last but not least, you get a coordinating die set. So it's going to cut out all the elements in your stamp set, and we've included an extra die. It says Happy Mail, and it's got the shadow feature as well. So you get lots of dies in this kit. Thanks again for joining me today as I show you a closer look at our gorgeous February 2021 Crafty Courtyard kit themed Happy Mail. I hope you love this kit as much as I do, and we have a limited number of spots open, so you can head over to pinkandmain.com and subscribe. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.